Howdy, it's Joy. I am wearing my cowboy hat and I have a Western belt buckle. I also have my boots on. I am getting ready to go to the Tesla Giga Factory Austin Cyber Rodeo event tonight. I got in the day before. Today is Thursday, April 7th. So I came in on Wednesday and there was already festivities going on. It was so wonderful meeting a lot of people that I have been interacting with, whether it's on YouTube or Twitter or Instagram, and or meeting new friends in the Tesla community. I am losing my voice, if you can't tell. And we had a wonderful time at what I call Tesla Prom that was hosted by the Austin Tesla Owners Club. So thank you, guys. Thank you, Anurabek, for hosting this event. And I'm going to take you guys to the Cyber Rodeo. Okay, I am in the car with the fabulous Kim Paquette.
Hello.
We just picked up Sean from the airport, and we also got Chuck here as well. We are arriving super early. What time is it?
2:23.
2:23, but supposedly the door won't be open until 4, and the event won't start until 8.
Yeah.
Elon won't speak until 9.
It's gonna be a long day.
It's gonna be a very long night. So we weren't gonna come this early, but we found out that a lot of people are already here, so we decided to just come early and check out Sean's hat and Kim's hat, Chuck's hat, and my hat. Let me put mine on. Here we go. Mine's gonna light up at night too. So.
All right.
We just got through security. Here's Kim and Sean, and they gave us our wristband. So we're the pink group, and they also gave us a swag bag. What's in the swag bag?
We've got a water bottle.
Okay.
Tesla water bottle.
Ooh.
We've got a bandana, Sean.
I know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Got
It's
another
probably
one.
nicer than the one I got you.
The one in the back says don't mess with Tesla.
Oh, nice. We've got a Cyber Rodeo koozie.
Cute.
And
Woo! And up we're short. Oh, I hit it.
Could have gone a lot further.
and I don't know what that is, but
Okay.
a pamphlet of some sort.
Pamphlet. Okay. Awesome. We're gonna head inside. It's gonna be so fun. Inside the factory. This is the stage. And I guess we're hanging out here or something. This is amazing. Huge, huge, huge. Wow. Is that like a little lounge area? Everyone's lining up here. This line is actually for self-guided factory tour, but first we have to enter through a real cool tunnel. All right, here we go. We're walking through this tunnel. I am with Sean and Kim. I'm walking backwards. This is cool. So these are Model Ys lined up here. And I am guessing that these are the first structural battery Model Ys that they're going to deliver to owners tonight. So this is the first look. Sorry it's dark because the sun isn't on quite yet, but these are the structural battery model wise. Really amazing. And we're now inside the factory, and they put on all these wonderful lightings so you can see all the machines and the robots. And if you have not been to a factory tour, I went to the one in Fremont a couple of times. If you can, when they open back up, totally recommend that you go do a factory tour. It's absolutely amazing. And this place is just massive, and we're probably like not even a tenth, probably like 1/100th of the space that we just covered from the entrance back there. It's a robot dance. When you go to the Fremont factory tour, you cannot take photos or videos inside, so it's great that I'm able to film this at the Austin factory. This is just amazing. We continued on the tour, walking around the factory, just in awe of everything. Tesla really put on a show for us with these robots. They also displayed a couple of crash-tested Model Ys. It's incredible how much engineering and care went into designing these cars to ensure that if an accident does happen, we will all be safe. Then we came to 3 cars on display, but you can sign your name on them. Sean, Kim, and I all left our marks for this historical occasion. You might also recognize some other signatures by your favorite social media personalities on here. You may have already watched the Cyber Rodeo live stream before watching this video. The fact that this factory is fully integrated and self-contained with not only assembling cars themselves, but also producing the seats as well as the new 4680 batteries on site is mind-blowing. Before Giga, Texas, Tesla has a separate seats manufacturing facility down the road from the Fremont factory in California, and 4680 cells are being designed in another building nearby. But now, everything will be under one roof, which makes the manufacturing process streamlined and even more efficient. This is revolutionary and will increase production volume significantly to meet the rapidly growing demand. We came across the Cyber Rodeo neon logo at the end of the tour and ran into a group of Tesla employees taking photos as well. After taking photos for them, Adit from the group came up and recognized Sean, Kim, and I. We couldn't believe he follows us online. We chatted with them and found out among them was Tesla's Chief Information Officer, Nagesh Saudi. These are the people behind the scenes making Elon's vision a reality, and we so appreciate their hard work. Then we stepped outside and it was set up like a rodeo. There was a DJ, a few food trucks, and a merch table. There was also a Tesla Semi with an artist painting on it in real time. We decided to get in line for the merch table because the crowd was building. They had special edition Giga Texas and Cyber Rodeo hats and shirts, but the most special item was a Tesla branding iron that you can use when you cook steak. While waiting in the merch line, we ran into more people from the Tesla online community. Many of us dressed up and it was fun catching up with friends I haven't seen in a while and finally seeing those that I haven't met in person before. After we got our souvenirs, we went upstairs to the presentation space getting ready for the actual event to begin. The upstairs space is gigantic. When they said this was going to be a 15,000 people party, they weren't joking. I also observed that most of the attendees are actual Tesla employees who work there. This is why invitations to non-Tesla employees were so limited and hard to get for this event. This is a celebration for all the hardworking Tesla employees. I met up with more people from the Tesla community in person for the first time and was able to give big hugs to them. Around 7 p.m., Austin's very own Gary Clark Jr. and his band took stage. If you don't know who Gary Clark Jr. is, you need to look him up. He's an amazing musician. I first noticed him in one of my favorite movies, Chef, when the main characters traveled to Austin and Gary had a cameo. The sun was setting behind the stage and Gary played and sang his heart out. We were all feeling the music and the party was on. Kristen, aka K10 on Twitter, and I were together in the crowd. Elon was supposed to come out at 9 p.m., but I joked to her that he was going to run on Elon time, which turned out to be true. By then, the main presentation room was completely filled, and they had to direct additional people to overflow spaces to watch the live stream instead. We patiently waited for the main event to start.
Welcome. To Cyber Rodeo. Are you guys having a good time?
to have you guys. Little. Want me to do it? I feel like I've broken enough things around here. I don't know. Maybe we'll pass.
Anything you want to say about the Cybertruck?
Cybertruck is going to be awesome. I mean, you see it here, you've seen it before, you see it over there. It's worth the wait, believe me. Yeah, well worth the wait. It's going to be awesome.
Here at Tesla, we believe in throwing great parties. So, let's get this party started. Have a fantastic time tonight. I love you guys.
It is 12:30 a.m. I just got back to my hotel. My feet hurt. My entire body aches. But wow, what a celebration at the Giga factory. A lot of people there were actually Tesla employees, and I was just really happy to see the employees there coming together and celebrating their hard work, putting out all these amazing products. And everything was top notch. The Rodeo kind of feel to it with the food truck and the mechanical bull, of course. All the robots on display at the factory. And the concert. Oh my goodness, that is just quintessential Austin. And of course, the drone formations, wow, just mind-blowing. They really did it big. And they say in Texas, they do everything big, right? So that was definitely big. Or as Elon would say, on the order of the magnitude or magnitude of order of nth degree or something. So I can't talk. I'm just so tired. But anyway, thank you so much for coming along with me. And I hope you enjoyed this little vlog at the Austin Tesla Giga Factory Cyber Rodeo. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, and good night.